What's up, Curlies? Welcome to my channel, Curly Tales. I'm Talise. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I am going to be doing a Claire's haul. I've been going a little bit crazy at Claire's because at this point in time I am headband obsessed. So I have a bunch of headbands to show you. I have some scrunchies, some clips, a bunch of cute stuff. And I'm also going to include a few things that I purchased at Forever 21, like this headband right here, which I love. And I'm also going to try the headbands on for you guys so you can see what they look like and see if you would like to purchase them. I purchased the majority of these Claire's products on Claire's.com. They were having a 40% off sale. And I also got an additional 20% off because this was my first time purchasing anything from Claire's.com. And then once I purchased a bunch of stuff, my sister saw what I bought and she wanted some stuff too. And they were still having their 40% off sale, so she got her things and I got like one or two more things then. And I got everything shipped to the closest Claire's store to my house. And then when you get to the store, you get an additional 20% off on anything you buy that day. And everything in the store is buy 3, get 3 free. So I want a little buck wild is all I'm gonna say. Okay, before we get started with this video, I'd just like to say welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. And make sure you hit that subscribe button right below this video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. All right, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start this off with the Claire stuff. And then hopefully if I'm not too tired, I will also talk about the things that I got from Forever 21. If this starts to drag on, I might just make this a 2-part video, so we'll see how I'm feeling. Okay, let's get into it. This is my bag of Claire's goodies. And the first thing that I see is this sparkly headband. It looks like this. It's like really pretty. So pretty that I got 2 of them. Boy, I got one in a darker blue, kind of green color. And I already have been wearing this one, so it no longer has the tag on it, but they were both $4.99. So I'm gonna try them on. And if you guys are wondering, this is day 7 of my new and improved Wetline Extreme Wash and Go. And I love it so much, but unfortunately I have to cancel this new Wetline Extreme because its first ingredient is sodium hydroxide. I went a little bit more into detail about this in my FabFitFun unboxing video. Definitely check that out if you haven't seen it already. Okay, this is what the headband looks like on my head. It's pretty comfortable. I've worn it out once or twice this week and it's very comfortable. Usually I have a little bit of pain behind my ears when I wear headbands, but I haven't had any kind of problems with this. I also sometimes have a problem with my headbands cracking right down the middle, which makes me feel like my head is ginormous. That also has not happened, so yay. And then this one is the same, obviously, but a different color. And I don't even know which one I like more. I like them both. They're really cute. Blue and green are my favorite colors, so I'm definitely loving this one. Okay, so the next headband that I also got duplicates of. It is this headband right here, which I think is so pretty. It has these sparkly blue flowers all around it. And it looks like this. I think it kind of makes me look like a princess. Boy! So I love it so much. I got 3 of them. I got one in white and gold. And I got one that is an ombre sparkly blue. So these were $3.99 each. So I think that's a really good price for some really cute headbands. Let me know down below in the comments which of these 3 you guys like the best. So the next accessory that I got was these scrunchies. They actually came in a pack of 3, but I gave one of them to my sister. There was a white one and I gave it to her. So I'm not exactly sure how much they cost because the tag is gone, but if I can find it, I will definitely put it on the screen. But these are so cute. They kind of remind me of cheerleading scrunchies or like holiday tinsel, and I think they'll be really cute in a puff or some kind of ponytail. The next thing that I got was these clips, and I have actually already worn these. I wore them in the front of my wash and go, And you can't really see them because my hair is pretty dark and they're black, but I still thought it added a nice little, you know, pizzazz to the wash and go. And these were $4.99. Okay, so the next accessory that I got was this headband, which I am in love with. It's like denim, and then it has a rainbow stripe through it, which is also maybe denim of some kind. I don't know. And this is what it looks like. It's so cute. And I believe this one was on clearance. I'm not exactly sure, but I think it was, which is crazy. Or it was either on clearance or almost sold out. So one of those.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, so this headband was $7.99, but I'm still not sure if it was on clearance or not. I also purchased these clips, which I love. I have worn these as well. I've only worn one of them, just this one right here. And I had it in the front of my wash and go, kind of like this. And I like it a lot. I love this shape. I've never seen clips that look like this before. And these clips were $6.99. So the next accessories that I purchased are kind of a pair. I guess they are a pair. I got a snakeskin headband and a snakeskin scrunchie with a cute little bow on it.
Move like a sexy snake, ay, a sexy snake.
This headband was $7.99 and the scrunchie was $4.99 originally. Okay, this is what this headband looks like on, and I love it. I hate snakes, so this really makes no sense, but I just thought it was so cute. And it also, this one definitely said that it was almost sold out, so I had to get it. I'm also gonna try the scrunchie on really quickly too. And this is what it looks like. You guys can see the little ears sticking out, which is so cute. I just found another one of these in the bag, so I guess that was actually a pack of 4. So even better, more bang for my buck. I also purchased this scrunchie, which is just so freaking cute. It was $4.99, and I don't even wear a lot of scrunchies, so I was not going to buy one until I saw this one. This one was just so pretty, I couldn't say no.